morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Javier will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The last session saw the euro rise 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Facebook shares rise 0.5%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The dollar fell to near a 3-week low to the euro and a 1-month low versus sterling, after unexpectedly soft US inflation data cemented the view that the Federal Reserve will skip an interest rate hike later in the day. Inflation in the US rose at a 4% annual rate in May, the lowest in 2 years, giving room for the Federal Reserve to pause and skip a rate hike in its June meeting. S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite notched fresh 13-month highs. Wall Street stocks fell after the Federal Reserve kept US interest rates unchanged, but signaled in new economic projections that borrowing costs will likely rise by another 0.5 percentage point by the end of this year.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 04:30 GMT. The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 01:30 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 04:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.